Welcome back to mTOR Reimagined. Today we're going to be talking about the importance and the benefits and the biology of morning fasting, the most powerful medicine in the human body. FDA disclaimer, FDA has not evaluated these statements. Always consult your licensed healthcare provider before beginning any diet or exercise regimen, especially if you are immune compromised. And remember, plants heal, chemicals disrupt. Okay, cellular repair system. There is a cellular repair system encoded in your DNA that can identify damaged proteins, dismantle precancerous components, and rebuild your body from the inside, and it's completely free. It requires no supplements, no equipment, and no effort. The switch that controls it is not a drug. It is the decision you make in the first hour after waking up each and every day. Let's go into the biology of morning fasting, not as a diet trend, but as a Nobel Prize-winning mechanism your body operates with and is divinely inspired to work with. So let's talk about 100 years of a lie. Eating breakfast interrupts the most sophisticated repair cycle that your cells perform. The breakfast is the most important meal of the day claim was a marketing gimmick, not factual biology, and it was designed to sell, especially cereals. A biological process known as autophagy and mTOR suppression is essential for cellular health. Your morning hunger is a trained reflex, not a caloric need or necessity. Here is the biological truth and how your body is designed to operate. How autophagy works. That's a tongue twister. Autophagy, literally meaning self-eating, is the body's primary cellular cleanup and recycling process. When cells undergo stress or nutrient deprivation, they form double membrane structures, or autophagosomes, that engulf damaged organelles in the cells, misfolded proteins, and cellular waste. So this is fundamental detoxification, folks, from a cellular level. These autophagosomes then fuse with lysosomes, where enzymes break the waste down into basic amino acids and energy for the cells to then reuse. So what it does to your cells, why mTOR suppression is required. mTOR, or mechanistic target of rapamycin, is the body's master anabolic growth switch. When activated by high levels of nutrients, especially amino acids and growth factors, mTOR drives cell proliferation, protein synthesis, and biomass regeneration. Because growth and recycling cannot happen efficiently at the same time, mTOR acts as the off switch for autophagy. mTOR suppression is necessary for three primary reasons. The repressive signal, active mTOR C1, directly phosphorylates key initiation proteins like ILK1 or interleukin-1, physically preventing them from launching the autophagic process. Energy management. Autophagy is a catabolic or breaking down process meant to conserve energy and clear debris. When mTOR is suppressed, such as during fasting, it signals the cell that resources are scarce, prompting the machinery in the cell to clear out old parts to survive. Again, divinely inspired detoxification. Genetic unlocking. Suppressing the mTOR allows specific transcription factors such as TFEB to travel to the cell's nucleus and turn on the genes responsible for generating new autophagosomes and lysosomes. This is the biological process the body is healing at a cellular level. So let's talk about a daily routine. Step one, first thing you should do when you wake up is drink 8 ounces of warm water. Now we'll do some other videos to tell you exactly why and what happens in the gut when you do this. First thing when you wake up, drink 8 ounces of warm water. You can add some lemon to the water to help balance pH, first thing, which is very beneficial. Do not drink coffee as soon as you wake up. Okay, that's going to be something that we have several videos to describe and why you definitely don't want cortisol spikes as soon as you wake up. And of course, it's something that millions of Americans do every single day. This causes cortisol spikes and then blood sugar crashes for many hours after. So people are constantly chasing the cortisol spikes and the sugar ups and downs after the morning coffee. Don't chase the spikes. Daily routine. Step 2, sit quietly and spend 2 minutes doing slow, deep breathing. So after you've had your warm water, sit and breathe slowly. Breathe in through the nose. Extend your diaphragm and hold it for a count of 5 to 8 seconds. Then exhale through your mouth slowly for a long 10 to 12 seconds of an exhale. This has regulatory benefits for the entire metabolism. And step 3, take a teaspoon of high-quality olive oil. Key benefits of this include improved digestion. The healthy fats stimulate bile production and lubricate your intestines. Again, if you think about a few slides back, we're going into helping the body detoxify. And this can relieve constipation and soothe your gut lining. Because remember, we all know the gut controls the brain. It increases satiety, kind of makes you more effective at eating later on in the day. So consuming a dose of EVOO, extra virgin olive oil, can slow stomach emptying, curbing the appetite and helping you manage your weight naturally without dangerous GLP-1 drugs that literally change the way the pancreas works. It reduces inflammation. Okay, it's rich in all sorts of natural anti-inflammatory compounds, and it has heart health monosaturated fats like oleic acid support cardiovascular function by lowering the LDL, which is bad cholesterol, and raising the good HDL cholesterol. The high concentration of vitamin E and antioxidants helps fight oxidative stress from the inside out and supports healthy skin and hair. Thanks so much. Hope you all be well. If you've got any questions or comments, please reach out. We are here to help. Thanks so much, folks.